is Mahama, Mama Haru Mama. And I have a bucket full of eggs. Let's see what's inside. We have a pink egg. Let's open it. It's a corn. Corns are so sweet. Corn. Ooh, we have a pink egg. Let's open it. It's a red bell pepper. Bell pepper. I love them on my fajitas. Bell pepper. Ooh, what's inside the yellow egg? Let's check it out. We have French fries! So many different styles of French fries. Do you like yours thin?
No.
Thick?
No.
Curly?
No.
Waffle style?
Yes.
Waffle style it is. We'll order one for you. French fries. Ooh, we got another fast one here. Purple. Let's open the purple egg. Perfect timing. Soda. Great with French fries. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Let's wash that French fries down. Soda. Ooh, what rolled in now? Let's check it out. We have orange, egg, and one of my favorite food, pizza! Pizza party! Woohoo! Pizza! There's plenty of slices to share. Let's eat pizza. Let's see what's inside the yellow egg. Peach. It's a peach. Peaches are so sweet and fuzzy. What's inside the purple egg? Let's see. Popsicle! It's a colorful popsicle. Great on a sunny day. Popsicle! What's inside this green egg? A lollipop! That's one big lollipop. Lollipop. Up next, we have an orange egg. Let's check it out. Mushroom. It's a mushroom. One of my favorite vegetables. Mushroom. Ooh, we have a blue egg. Let's check it out. What is this? It's a pumpkin. Is Halloween coming up? It's a pumpkin. Ooh, what just dropped in? Let's check out the yellow egg. What's inside? It's an ice cream cone. One of my favorite treats. Ice cream cone. What's that? It's a purple egg. Let's check it out. It's a hamburger. Yum, yum, yum. Hamburger. Ooh, what do we have now? Let's check it out. sandwich. Delicious sandwich. I hope it's turkey sandwich. Sandwich. Ooh, let's see what rolled in. Inside the orange egg. Bananas! I go bananas for bananas. Banana. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Yellow egg. Let's check it out. Ooh. Donut. Haru's favorite food. Donut. Ooh, let's check out the green egg. Let's see. Open. Carrot. Delicious carrot. Carrots are actually very sweet. Where's my bunny rabbit? Come here, bunny. Carrot. Ooh, it's a purple egg. Let's see. What's inside? It's a tomato. Tomato. Ooh, I got an orange egg. Let's see what's inside. Open. We have a melon. I love melons, especially melon bubble tea. My favorite drinks. Melon. Ooh, what just dropped in? It's a yellow egg. Let's check it out. It's an eggplant. Eggplants taste good when they are grilled. Eggplant. Whoa, it's double madness. Whoa! 2 eggs. I have a blue egg and we have a yellow egg. Which one should we check out first? Blue?
Yes.
Okay, let's see the blue egg. It's grapes. I love grapes. So fun picking at each one. Grapes. Let's see the next one. Inside the yellow, what is it? Let's open. Hot dog! Hot dogs are so great, especially outside. Hot dog! Rolling, rolling, rolling. Let's look inside the blue egg. What do we have here? Open. And everybody's favorite, strawberries. Strawberries go with everything. Strawberries. Ooh, spinning egg. Let's see what the spinning egg brings about. Let's take a look. Lemon! It's a lemon. Ooh, lemons are very citrusy. Lemon. Come to Mama. We have a purple egg. Let's see what's inside the purple egg. Oh my! Cupcake. I love cupcake. Cupcake makes me so happy. Cupcake. Ooh, that was fast. Let's see. This one's a fast little guy. What do we have? Pineapple. Pineapple. Let's see what rolled in. We have a blue egg. have a pea pod. Pea pod. 1, 2, 3. Pea pod. We have a spinning egg. Let's check out the purple egg. Open. It's a peanut. Cute like a peanut. Be careful eating peanuts. Some people might have peanut allergies. Oh no. Be careful. Peanut. Hello, Mr. Yellow Egg. What's inside? Let's look. Cherry. We have cherries. One for you and one for me. Let's share cherries. Let's see what just rolled in. We have a green egg. Let's open it. And we have cabbage. Where's my bunny rabbit? Cabbage! Come here, bunny bunny. I have some food for you. We have green egg. Let's open. And we have watermelon. Watermelons are so refreshing. I love watermelon. Would you like one? Wow! You ate it so fast. That's all we have now. The shell.